Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate how one can set up the Cadence GENUS191 environment and start a GUI. Okay, so the first thing we have is I've logged into an ECE X2Go session, and I'm going to switch over to a machine that can run the Genus software. So the machines that can run the latest Cadence software are the CENOS 7 servers. So if you go to eceteachinglabs.cc.lehigh.edu, click on Computing, and click on Teaching Lab Linux Platform, you'll see where the machines are listed. If you scroll down a little bit, at this point in time, you'll see it says CENOS 7, and these are the servers that are currently running the newer version of Cadence. I'll actually have to update that title to make that clear on there, but so you want to go into one of the CENOS 7 servers. So one of the servers listed on there is ECE server 01, so we'll go there. If you come over, if you're going in from the X2Go server, you want to use the SSH-X to tunnel the X protocol, and then -L for your login, and then ECE demo. Machine name is ECE-server01.cc.lehigh.edu, and of course if you're at home, you have to do all this from you have to use the VPN to get in to Lehigh, because everything here is behind the Lehigh firewall. Okay, so now I need to put my password in. Okay, now what we'll want to do is we'll want to run a script to set up the environment for the Genus software. So if I come over here back to this eceteachinglabs.cc.lehigh.edu website, if I go to documentation, come all the way down here to Cadence, and then you'll see where it says Start GENUS191. We'll go ahead and click on that, and in there you're going to see where it says Source, and then it has this path name, and at the end of the path name is the GENUS191 environment script. We're going to copy that whole line there, and we'll do a copy, and now we can move the web browser away, and we'll come and we'll click back into the excuse me, terminal session, and we'll do a right click and a paste, and we'll hit enter. And there are a couple lines that are echoed at the end of that script when you run it that have the little asterisks there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run a program that is part of the Genus software package called Genus. And it's going ahead and it's running. Okay, now in order to get a GUI, what we can do is we can type GUI underscore show, and there it brings up the synthesis solution tool, and so that's all it takes to set up the environment. And here's an example of running a GUI. So I'm going to exit out, and I can exit out of the server, and there we go. So that's all there is to setting up the environment for the GENUS191 Cadence package. Thank you. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful.